so we are now going to determine if a syllogistic argument is valid with the Euler diagram. Now, a Euler diagram is really just a visual representation to show connections between statements. So we're going to take our syllogistic argument, which is just a general statement, a specific statement, and a conclusion. And what we're going to do is construct a diagram to show this. So here we go. First example. Statement 1, Indianapolis is in Indiana. Statement 2, Teresa does not live in Indianapolis. So the conclusion is that Teresa does not live in Indiana. Okay, so let's check this out. We have what we know is the state of Indiana. So this black rectangle is the state of Indiana. Now, Indianapolis is there. So we'll just call this Indy. Okay? So Indianapolis is inside of Indiana, right? That is the visual representation of statement 1. Now, statement 2 says Teresa does not live in Indianapolis. Now, if Indianapolis is noted by the red circle inside of the black rectangle, then Teresa just lives somewhere outside of that red circle. So Teresa could live here, she could live here, she could live here, or here, or here, or here, whatever, right? The point is, we don't know the conclusion. The conclusion that says she does not live in Indiana is not necessarily true, because she could live in North or South Indiana and still not be inside of Indianapolis. So this is not a valid argument. Okay, to be valid, the conclusion has to hold true based on our diagram, and it doesn't. Teresa could live outside of Indiana, or she could live inside of Indiana and still not live in Indianapolis. All right, let's do another one. Consider the following argument, and let's construct a Euler diagram to determine if it's valid. Statement 1, all soccer players wear shin guards. Statement 2, Rico does not wear shin guards. Conclusion, Rico does not play soccer. Okay, so all soccer players wear shin guards. Now, if we think about this, are there other people who wear shin guards? Yeah. Is it cricket? I think cricket, they wear shin guards. Okay, so anyway, we have like this group of people that wear shin guards, okay? All kinds of people in there. And we know that soccer players are a subset of people who wear shin guards. So because all soccer players wear shin guards, the entire soccer player circle lives inside the shin guard circle. Okay, that's statement 1. Soccer players wear shin guards, so they live inside of that. Now, the statement says Rico does not wear shin guards. Okay, so now shin guards, remember, is this large black circle. So if Rico does not wear shin guards, he has to live outside of that black circle, because the black circle and everything in it are shin guard wearing people. Rico doesn't wear shin guards, so therefore he is on the outside of the black circle. So the conclusion that Rico does not play soccer holds true, because the soccer players are inside that black circle that where Rico does not live, right? He lives outside of the shin guard circle. And therefore, yes, this statement is valid. Based off of our Euler diagram that we created, we have a valid argument.